So I found the culprit. This is what happened to my tire. Oh, my beautiful tire. It's only a year old. Um, so folks, we are about to fix this tire. We got ourselves some plug-in tire plug-in kit, so we're gonna fix this tire. First, we have to fill it with air to make sure that we fix there's no more holes in the tire. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're adding air to the tire, and we're not gonna add a lot, just a little bit. And we got ourselves some soapy water so we can check the car, check the tire, make sure there's no more leak. To make sure that I fix it, properly. So we're gonna clean and put this down for a minute. We got the cleaner inside the tire to clean it, and then we're gonna add the tape of this sealer. So let's go ahead quickly get this out so we can get this. So we get the sealer to seal the tire. So we're going to check it out, make sure we're gonna add some air to it, and then we're gonna check it, use the soapy water, make sure it's working properly. So we are adding air to the tire and also use the soapy water to see if there's any bubble. So thus far I don't see any bubble with the soapy water. That means the seal is working properly. I just need to cut those spots right here, so we'll be good to go. Was not the location. This is it right here.